This is just a close-up look at the SmallRig lightweight fluid video head 3457. It can handle panoramic panning, supports Arca-swiss quick release, has adjustable center of gravity for various lenses, detachable telescopic handle, one extra 1/4 inch threaded hole, and snap-in Allen wrench. It's a smaller fluid head, as you can see. You could take a quick pause to look at the specs here. It's built solidly, it seems. You would need a tripod or monopod with 3/8 screw. You would need one that looks like this, or just get a 3/8 to 1/4 inch socket adapter like this on the corner, graphics. As you're watching this, I'm holding this fluid head for the first time. This telescopic handle is removable. You'll see that later in the video. This knob is for dampening vertical panning. The tilt tensioning seems stiff enough for heavy load. This knob is for dampening horizontal or panoramic panning. There is a mechanism here that is for adjusting center of gravity for different lenses. I see, for example, move it back towards you is for a longer zoom or telephoto lens. There are two 1/4 inch screws with handles. I'll remove one to use or replace another. Here, you'll get to see. Allen wrench, you'll see where I got it from. If you didn't know how to remove it, on one end of the slot there is a larger semicircular gap where you can unscrew it through it. You can also use your Allen wrench. Screw it in where the larger gap is. We'll get back to the fluid head in a second. Just want to show you what I'm doing with the parts. Okay, back to it. Looking at the Arca-swiss clamp, you'll normally want to adjust your camera with the knob facing your chest so that your camera doesn't accidentally drop when you forget to tighten it and in an attempt to pan vertically. Playing with the clamp head, the tension is also pretty good. Now getting back to my intent usage, the clamp head will face in the direction you see here. Why? You'll see. So testing whether this clamp is universal for any Arca-swiss plate, I'm using this telephoto lens support bracket for my setup on my self-standing monopod, which you will have to see in another video because this is just a close-up look video for this fluid head. Anyway, as you can see, this setup looks pretty good, and it has to be facing in this particular direction, and that means I have to trust myself locking it tightly. And now onto the telescopic handle. Let's take a look. This is as far as it will go. This is like a selfie stick, if you ever use one. Again, you'll see this is removable. You'll see it now. Putting it back on, pretty easy. Pretty compact for easy storage. Next on to the Allen wrench. It's magnetically stored in. Just have to press the back side to pop it out. I guess the wrench is for various uses. You saw me use it earlier. Finally, this 1/4 inch threaded hole is for attaching devices such as a magic arm for various things to be attached to. Let's take a look. Anyway, that's just about it. Thank you for watching. Do come back.